Today I'm gonna be fishing a lake I've never fished before. It's called Erie Lake. It's in Salmo, British Columbia, and right now it seems like the bass are spawning. I already see some beds right here and I just saw 2 fish swim away, so that's what I'm gonna go for right off the bat here. The 2 fish I just saw spawning aren't huge, so I'm gonna be using this little jig. I have another rod that I'm going to use bigger lures on as the day goes, but since there's fish right here, I might as well start right here. I'm just going to drop it on their beds, and there's a big pumpkin seed sunfish right here. He's going for it. Oh, the bass is going for it. I had a little nibble from that bass. There's fish right in front of me right now, so not the smallest, one of the smallest lakes I've ever fished, so she's a lot bigger than he is though. Oh, he's coming towards. Just looking at it. I haven't seen that much size variation between the 2 mating ones, because I've seen bass building beds before. Got it. It's my first bass right there. Wow. Not a big one, but first fish of the day, first ever largemouth. Awesome. Here's the bass we just got. Just a little one, but I think we can get into some big ones today. The next spot down, I see a couple of pumpkin seed reds, so see if we can get a couple of those now. I see 1 fish so far, but I'm sure there's more. Got our first one. That's what a pumpkin seed looks like. Just little sunfish. Beautiful colors on them, but can be pretty damaging to native species, but unfortunately I don't see anything saying I can keep them, so I'm just gonna have to release the ones we catch for today anyway, until I can be more sure. Got it. Another pumpkin seed, I think. Some sort of sunfish anyway. That's not the one I was going for. This one just popped out of nowhere. Another one. Got one here. Yeah? They're everywhere here. With your rod tip and get the hook out. I'm gonna head back down to where I first saw those bass, see if that big one came back, and then just see what other access points I might have and look for bait along the way because I don't have any. And there's this beautiful garter snake right here. Absolutely beautiful colors on this. I was just looking for worms and I found it. Hey buddy. Found another bass in the shallows here. So I'm gonna take my jig off and switch to a smaller one. See if we can get this little guy. Yeah, I got that little green forage jig by Northland tackle on with that soft plastic. Let's see if we can catch another bass with it. I'll just walk up real slow. He did get scared when I walked up originally. Oh, that one had it for a second. Got him. Smaller than the last one, but chunky. Second bass of the day right here. Another largemouth. I'm going to try the other side for a bit, and we're going to walk again and see if we can find any access points. Is that a fish? Oh yeah, it is. Seems like a bigger bass too. Oh, it is. Stuck in the lily pads. I don't know how much I can step right here, not much. I think he's finally coming out this way a little. Oh, I see him. It's right there. Okay, I'll go get the net. Reel it in again. Surprised this fish is even still on. Oh, speaking of. Oh, there's a painted turtle right in front of me. I'm gonna see if I can get that on my phone. Ah, no, it's swimming away. Cool. I haven't been that close to a turtle in a long time. Okay, well my GoPro died, but I'm still gonna try and record some fishing on my phone. Hopefully I can get another few bass before I go. They just got scared of... Oh, I see what they're scared of. There's a giant bass right there. Just pulled out my first perch of the day. Not huge, but I'm still keeping it. I'm at 3 bass now as well, but I've stopped counting pumpkin seeds because there's just been too many. 4th bass of the day here. Just a little too small to keep, so I'm gonna throw it back. Just caught my biggest pumpkin seed or sunfish of some sort today, and ever actually. Definitely the biggest one I've caught. Here's something that's a little bit sad to see. I found this baby painted turtle inside of this bass I caught. Even the ones this small are still able to eat the turtles that are native here, and the bass are not native. Well, that was a good fishing trip. I'll definitely have to head back there again someday. Do a little more bass fishing and hopefully some more perch and maybe even a brook trout or two.